Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to lock sensitive apps with Fingerprint on Google Pixel 10a. So first of all, we're gonna have to open Settings on the smartphone and then scroll down to Security and Privacy menu. In this menu, there is an option which is called Private Safe, which will help us keep private apps locked and hidden on the smartphone. So there is no specific feature that will allow you to protect apps with Fingerprint, but still the private space is the closest thing that you can get. So here you have to first confirm your identity by using your fingerprint or entering the password. And to set it up, just tap Setup at the bottom. Wait until the private space is set up on your smartphone. Okay, and then we're gonna have to create or choose a Google account to use for your private space. Tap Next. Okay, let's sign in another way. Something went wrong, so let's enter the email manually. Like this, then tap Next. And then let's enter the password and tap Next once again. Then Next. I agree, and after that we'll be able to set up our private space. So first of all, we're gonna have to either choose a new lock for our private space. It can be different from your original pattern. So let's first enter the original pattern, and then we'll be able to select the lock for the private space. So let's use a different pattern for the private space. So enter it once and then confirm. Of course, you can use PIN code or a password instead. Then we'll be able to set up the fingerprint. If you would like to do that, tap Start. Make sure that your device's screen is clean and smooth, and proceed by pressing your fingertip on the scanner as it shows on the screen. Then lift your finger up and wait until the circle is filled. Okay, then tap Done. Okay, let's just skip this step because I don't want to set up the fingerprint another time. Okay, and now the private space will be shown at the bottom of our apps menu. And to add different applications here, we're gonna have to tap Add and then either add files here. Okay, in order to lock applications, we're gonna have to okay, we're gonna have to select Install Applications or Add Files from our device. Though I'm not sure. Okay, so similarly, we're gonna need to install a separate application to hide it in here. So let's install, for example, this app. Let's wait until it's installed. Okay, and now let's return back to our apps menu. And right now we can see that this app is also locked, so it will not show on our default apps menu. And okay, so if we want to lock other applications, we're gonna need to select one of these. Let me just lock the screen and see whether I actually understand clearly how it works. Okay, so we have the camera here. We don't need the lock for it to unlock it. Now if I want to lock the camera, okay, so I can lock a separate camera application from what it seems to me. And if you want to have only the locked version of the app, you're gonna need to install it separately in here by typing add and then install apps. And in the private space settings, we can also decide whether to hide private space completely or to show it at the bottom menu of the screen. And if it's hidden, then you'll be able to look it up through the search bar on your smartphone. And so yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.